Ballet. Welcome to Jacklyn Dougherty's podcast. Today's podcast topic will be Dougherty ballet term shorts. Letter A, Dougherty ballet term shorts. Adagio, slow movements. Allonge D, pigeon, pigeons of the wings. In l'air, in the air. Allegro, brisk. Allonge, extended. Adamble, assure. Adjure, arch. Airy, backwards. Arrondi, a round curve. Ensemble, joined together. Avant, forward. B, Dougherty ballet term shorts. Balance, rocking step. Ball, bounce. Ballonate, toss. Bass, low. Battement, beating. Batterie, beaten step. Battu, beaten. Brise, arms. Brise, broken. C, Dougherty ballet terms. Cabriole, carpered. Cambre, arch. Chaîne, chain links. Chain, changed. Chasse, chase. Ciseaux, scissors. En cloche, bell shape. Decote, sideways. Cou-de-pied, neck. Coupe, cut. Curry, run. Croise, cross. En croix, in the shape of a cross. D, Dougherty ballet terms. En dedans, inwards. Dégagé, disengage. En dehors, outwards. Demi, half. Derrière, behind. Dessous, under. Dessous, over. Détourner, turn aside. Dukes, two. Devant, in front. Développer, develop. In diagonal, in a diagonal. E, Dougherty ballet term shorts. Écarté, separate. Échappé, escaping. Efface, shade. Élance, to dart. Emboîté, box. On you play, on you played. Éclou, shouldering. Entendre, to stretch. F, Dougherty ballet term shorts. D-face, in front, full face. E-face, opposite. Fermer, close. Flic-Flac, crack. Forte, whipped. Frappe, strike. G, Dougherty ballet term shorts. Glissade, glide. Grand, large. H, Dougherty ballet terms. In halt, high. I, Dougherty ballet term shorts. Incline, inclined. J, Dougherty ballet term shorts. Jambe, leg. Jeté, pass, throwing step. L, Dougherty ballet term shorts. Levi's, temps, time, raised. M, Dougherty ballet term shorts. Menage, circular. O, Dougherty ballet term shorts. Overt, open. P, Dougherty ballet term shorts. Pass, step. Passé, past. Penché, leaning incline. Petit, small. Pas, foot. Piqué, picked. Pirouette, spin. Plié, bend. Plier, to bend. Port de bras, carriage of arms. Port, carriage. Pose, posture. Premier, first. Promenade, turn in a walk. R. Dougherty shorts ballet terms. Renverse, in reverse. Releve, raise. Relever, to rise. Reverence, curtsy. Round, rond. Royale, royal. Dougherty ballet term shorts. Saute, jump. Ciseaux, scissor like. Soutenu, sustain. Sus-Sus, over, under. Sus-Sus, under, over. T. Dougherty ballet term short. Temps, time. Tendu, stretch. A tear, on the ground. Tombe, falling. Tour, turning. In tournette, turning. Tour, saute, jumping, turn. The Dougherty ballet term shorts. Valse, waltz. Variation, variation. De valu, in flight, and voyage, traveled. Stay tuned for the next episode on ballet. For more information, visit JacklynDougherty.com. Much love!